Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Today, my topic to teach you English grammar is pronoun. First of all, let me tell you the definition of the pronoun. Before giving you definition of the pronoun, let me explain the derivation of the word pronoun. This word pronoun is derived from a Latin word pronomen. Pro plus nomen. Pro means for, and nomen means noun. So, a pronoun is a word that assumes the function of a noun in a sentence. This is the definition of the pronoun. Pro means for, noun means naming word. So any word, any of the word classes which assume the function of a noun is called pronoun. Okay, this is the definition of the pronoun. Now, which words are pronoun? I have prepared a table here, so look it very carefully. The pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. All these are the subjects. So they are said to be in nominative case. Then me, you, him, her, it, us, them. These are the objects. These are also pronouns. Then some pronouns are my, mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, our, ours, your, yours, their, theirs. These are also pronouns, but they are possessive pronouns. So this is the table of these pronouns. Pronouns are divided. This is the table of personal pronouns. These personal pronouns are divided into three classes: first person, second person, third person. I and we, these are first person. You, this is second person. He, she, it, and they are third person. Those pronouns which are used as a subject in a sentence, they are said to be in a nominative case. As I, this is nominative case. And those which are in possession, they are said to be in possessive case. And those pronouns which are objects in the sentence, they are in objective case. I always is the subject in a sentence, so it is said to be in nominative case. Mine is a possessive, so it is in possessive case. This is possessive pronoun. My is possessive adjective. Actually, my is possessive adjective. But here I have written to show you the difference. Mine is a possessive pronoun. Me is object, it is in objective case. Similarly, we is always subject, so it is in nominative case. Ours is possessive pronoun. R is possessive adjective. As my is possessive adjective, R is also possessive adjective, but ours is possessive pronoun. Both are in possessive case, so those are possessive, so they are said to be in possessive case. The object of we is us, so it is in objective case. And this column is reflexive pronoun. The reflexive pronoun of I is myself, and reflexive pronoun of we is ourselves. These are first persons. I and we. And now second person, you. You is a second person. Though is also in pronoun. It is Old English. So though is also subject. Both though and you are in nominative case. The possessive of though is thy or thine. As my, thy. Thy is a possessive adjective, thine is possessive pronoun. The possessive of you is yours. Yours is a possessive pronoun. Your is possessive adjective. The object of though is thee. It is in objective case. The object of you is also you. And reflexive pronoun of you is yourself. It is singular. These are singulars and these are plurals, as the table shows. Now, you is also plural. It is subject. Your and yours are possessive. You, it is object. Objective case. Yourself is. It is a plural. So the reflexive pronoun of you is yourself is. But the reflexive pronoun of you, which is singular, is yourself. Yourself is singular and yourself is plural. Now third person. He, she, it, they. These are third person. He, she, it is singular and they is plural. The possessive of he is his. The possessive of she is her or hers. Hers is a possessive pronoun and her is possessive adjective. It, the possessive of it is its. The object of he is him, so it is in objective case. The object of she is her, so it is in objective case. The object of it is it, so it is in objective case. Now, they. The third person of he is also they, plural. Plural of he is they. Plural of she is also they. And plural of it is also they. They is a subject, so it is in nominative case. Their, theirs. Theirs is a possessive pronoun and there is possessive adjective. Both are possessive, so both are in possessive case. The object of they is them. Them. And the reflexive pronoun of they is themselves. All these are the pronouns. Pronoun means a word which assumes the function of a noun in a sentence. As suppose I write a sentence, Ali is my friend. He is a good person. Here, he is used instead of Ali. If I write here Ali, Ali is a good person, it is also right. Ali is my friend, Ali is a good person. But in the second sentence, I did not use noun, but I used a word which is for noun. So, he is used for Ali. Ali is a noun and he is pronoun. He is a good person. This is a pronoun. Again, I will teach you in next lectures also. Thank you very much.